Passion fruit juice, a delicious and refreshing beverage that not only tantalizes the taste buds but also offers a plethora of health benefits. This exotic fruit, with its vibrant purple skin and juicy interior, is not only a treat for the senses, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. One of the most notable benefits of passion fruit juice is its high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps boost the immune system, protect against free radicals, and promote healthy skin. Just 1 cup of passion fruit juice can provide over 100% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin C, making it an excellent choice for those looking to support their overall health and well-being. In addition to vitamin C, passion fruit juice is also rich in vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. Vitamin A is also important for promoting healthy growth and development, making passion fruit juice a great choice for children and adults alike. Another key benefit of passion fruit juice is its high fiber content. Fiber is essential for digestive health, as it helps to regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and support a healthy gut microbiome. Just 1 cup of passion fruit juice can provide up to 5 grams of fiber, making it an excellent choice for those looking to improve their digestive health. Passion fruit juice is also a good source of potassium, an essential mineral that plays a key role in regulating blood pressure, muscle function, and fluid balance in the body. Potassium is especially important for athletes and those who engage in regular physical activity, as it helps to prevent muscle cramps and support overall performance. In addition to its nutritional benefits, passion fruit juice is also a great source of antioxidants, which help to protect the body against oxidative stress and inflammation. Antioxidants are important for reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes, making passion fruit juice a valuable addition to a healthy diet. One of the lesser-known benefits of passion fruit juice is its potential to improve sleep quality. Passion fruit contains a compound called harmon, which has been shown to have sedative properties and may help to promote relaxation and improve sleep. Drinking a glass of passion fruit juice before bed may help to calm the mind and body, leading to a more restful night's sleep. Overall, passion fruit juice is a delicious and nutritious beverage that offers a wide range of health benefits. From its high vitamin C and fiber content to its antioxidant properties and potential to improve sleep quality, passion fruit juice is a versatile and valuable addition to any diet. Whether enjoyed on its own or mixed into smoothies, cocktails, or other beverages, passion fruit juice is sure to delight the taste buds and nourish the body. So why not pour yourself a glass of this tropical elixir and reap the many benefits that passion fruit juice has to offer?